Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nia. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for showing love, showing support. Remember to like, subscribe, share, turn the post notification bell on so you'll be notified each time I post a video. So yeah, so today guys, I'm gonna be making some fish and some veggies, and I'm gonna take you guys along in the kitchen. Let's get to it. So yeah guys, so we're back. I'm actually showing you all the stuff that I'll be making. So this here, I have some shredded cabbage. I have my filet tilapia over here, 2 pieces. I'm gonna actually pat dry these with some paper towel before I add seasoning to it. I have over here my Scotch bonnet pepper and some sliced garlic. Over here I have some fish seasoning, a little bit of adobo, and some all-purpose seasoning, and a pinch of black pepper also. Here I have some bell pepper that I cut up, a few different color bell pepper. Over here I have my scallion. So that is all I'll be using for this meal. So just showing you guys the ingredients, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, so this is what I'll be frying the fish in. So I have a pot here heating on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to it, just to kind of fry the fish a little bit. Not too much oil because we're not deep frying. So that should be enough for the fish. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in and just add some of the seasoning on the fish. Hands are clean, already washed them. I'm just gonna do a light coat on the fish. And I didn't add any salt because all the seasoning I add to it already have salt on it, so I don't really want it salty. I don't use a lot of salt on my food these days. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure both sides have adequate enough seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and just repeat the process with the second piece of fish. Hope everyone is having an amazing day. I myself is having a very good day, but before it gets too late, I decided let me make some food and just make this quick video for you guys. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the fish for now. So I'm gonna move on to actually add in my bell peppers to the second pot that I have over here. So I'm just gonna add all of this to the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this to the pot. That's where I'm gonna make the cabbage and sauteed veggies. So I'm just gonna add most of it to this pot. I'm also gonna add some of the Scotch bonnet pepper and the garlic to it. Just gonna wait for this to start sauteing a little bit. And I use avocado oil for my sauteing of veggies. Since I'm not frying, it's a good oil to use if you're sauteing your veggie. Good option, at least. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it fry a little bit, and then I'll show you guys in a few. Okay guys, so this is what's going on so far. I'm letting it saute a little bit, and I'm gonna add the cabbage in a few minutes, and then we have our pot that we're gonna add our fish to over here. The oil heating up, so we're gonna go ahead and add our fish. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our fish to our pot right now. Actually, let us add our shredded cabbage first over here, because this looks like it's ready. And you can shred the cabbage in whatever desired size you choose. So I'm just gonna add that, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it for a little bit before I actually put a little bit of black pepper and stuff, and I'm gonna cover it for now. Just let it steam, and let us go ahead and add our fish. Adding our fish to our pot. So our fish is in, and we're gonna let that fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on this side before we flip it over and then continue the process. So guys, I added the remaining scotch bonnet, the scallion, and the garlic to the fish, just for when it's frying it will get added flavor. So yeah, and then we're gonna check on our cabbage and veggies now steaming over there. So I'll show you guys. So this is our veggie and cabbage. I just removed the lid and going good. It's steaming in its own juices. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about ½ an ounce of water and turn it on low and let it steam, and then I'll check in about 4 minutes and let you guys see. Okay guys, time for us to flip our fish. I'm using a spatula because I don't want it to break apart. Need I remind you, tilapia is a very soft fish, especially when it's filleted. Ooh, okay, got it. Okay, see, and it has a nice little golden look to it, because I didn't put the heat on extreme high because I didn't want it to burn. I want the fish to properly cook. I don't want it to be burnt. Okay, and then this is just the stuff I added to it for added flavor. So we're going to go ahead and reduce our heat a little bit, and yeah, let the other side cook properly. I'll show you guys in a few. Okay guys, we're back, and we're going to check our cabbage and steamed veggies. Let's see what's going on with it over here. Looking good so far. Steaming, and we only add ½ an ounce of water and reduce the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of Maggi. We're not adding any salt. Okay, and then we're just gonna mix this around. And I reduced the heat over here. I reduced the heat on the fish, so it's not a hazard for burning at this point, because I reduced the heat because it's almost finished. And then we're just gonna leave our veggies on for another like 2-3 minutes, and then we're done. Okay guys, our fish is done. I'm gonna cut the heat off at this point, and I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see. Also, our cabbage is done. I'm gonna cut the heat off also. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add from my pot of steamed veggies. I'm just gonna add enough because that's all I'll be eating. Guys, I'm gonna be slicing a piece of this tomato and add it to it, and I'll show you guys in a few. I finished and completed the meal and showed you the finished product, but here we are. It looks so good. Yeah, and baby needed a little bit of attention, so I had to go see about her, and I'm gonna get her food now and stuff. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll catch you in another one. Hi, mama. All right, bye, guys.